Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to go to the contacts list, select contact which you want to add photo, tap edit contact, tap on the camera icon to change its photo. You can take photo or to just select one from the gallery. Then select a photo which you want to set. Here you can adjust it, tap done, and then save. And as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.